In this video, we'll take a look at how to easily swap out a twin bolt handle. All that's needed is a number 2 Phillips hand screwdriver. First step is to remove one screw from the mounting plate of the primary panel's hardware. Turn the handle to open the door, exposing the one screw underneath it. Remove this screw first. Now shut the door and lock it and remove the top screw. With the mounting screws removed, turn the mounting plate horizontal. You may need to slightly pull the handle away from the panel, but do not pull the handle completely out. Insert the screw that was previously removed from the primary panel. Place this screw into the top hole. Just a few turns will do, but don't force it. Now pull the twin bolt handle completely out. To install the new handle, first you want to make sure the handle placement is in the correct position. Once you are certain of that, reinsert the new handle and remove the top screw. Turn the plate to line up with the holes and reinsert that same screw. Turn the handle to unlock the door. Use that screw to pull the twin bolt mechanism to you as you install the bottom screw. Close and lock the door. Remove that primary hardware screw and install the last twin bolt handle screw. Reinstall the primary hardware screw back in its original place.